Hello, we are Team Engineers from East Los Angeles College, Department of Engineering and Technology. We are currently enrolled in GE 101 Winter 2017 with Professor Artin Davidian. I am Team Lead Rodrigo Torrez.
I'm Jose Ramirez. I'm Jorge Alvarez. I'm Ernesto Rodriguez.
I'm Lenin Valenzuela.
I'm Quispe.
And I'm Jaime Murillo.
We will be presenting our Stirling engine.
So as you can see on our Stirling engine, we have an alpha type, which will be running it's going to be running off the air. And the reason it's an alpha type is because we have a full chamber outside of the main system.
This is our displacer. It's pushed up by expanding air to our heat source, and it's connected to our crankshaft through our connecting rod.
This is a plastic tubing which allows air to flow from the hot source to the cold chamber. The air then expands the diaphragm and moves the crankshaft.
This is our crankshaft. As the diaphragm expands, the crankshaft turns. The displacer is pulled up through a connecting rod, which then turns the flywheel and repeats the Stirling cycle.
This is our flywheel. It is connected to the crankshaft and is necessary for the Stirling engine to continue its cycle. It is made of 2 CDs and 3 popsicle sticks.
We've applied the heat source. This will start the engine. Removing the heat source will slow down the engine. Reapplying it will heat it up again.
And this concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.